What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys how to transform your outdoor furniture from this into this. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so we've got an outdoor table here that's seen much better days. As you guys can tell, it's completely stained and ruined simply because it wasn't finished. It didn't have a protective coat over the top, so that's allowed everything to seep into it. So we've got all water stains all over this table. We've even got some mold. First thing we're going to do is simply clean it up by using a pressure washer. Make sure you only use a wash gun, which is your wide fan nozzle, and don't use your little turbo nozzle. That's going to damage your surface. So pressure wash it, get it as clean as possible. We're going to let that dry for about 2 to 3 days. Then we're going to come back and I'll show you guys how to transform it and also protect it. So it's been a couple days now, everything's nice and dry and ready to go. You can see all those watermarks are completely gone, the mold is completely gone. What we're going to be doing is putting a clear coat on here. Now originally I was going to stain it, which means to change the colour, but I've decided after seeing it wet that we're going to be putting on a clear coat to enhance the natural colour and also protect it. So I'm going to quickly put a drop sheet underneath. So the product that we're using is from Cabot's. It's an exterior clear coat. It's water-based and it's in a satin finish. You can get this in a gloss or even a matte. To apply it, you can use a brush, you can use a cloth, or even spray it on. I'm going to be using the brush to make sure we get in all these little gaps here. So that's the reason why we're using a brush here today. Just make sure you give it a good stir before you start using it. And we're now going to get started on putting on our protective coating. So once the first coat's complete, this is what it ends up looking like. So much better by only doing one coat. This is still a little bit wet, so we're going to give it another 20-30 minutes. Repeat the process for 2 to 3 more coats, and I'll show you guys what it ends up looking like. So once it's all done, this here is the finished product and it looks like brand new once again. Very, very nice finish, especially considering we only did a clear coat and we cleaned it up using a pressure washer. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video and you've learned something new. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.